That range looks pretty cool there.
Yeah, that's the range, man.
How does it go again?
Blackhead.
Thomas Cole, Black Dome, and Blackhead.
Blackhead's
right?
the flat one?
Yeah. And they're all like 40 feet apart in height. The highest being the middle one. 3980, 3960.
Goddamn towers.
They're all like a hair under 39.
Towers in the way?
Gives it perspective.
You take a video, Phil?
No, I did a panorama on the summit. That's not nice.
What's the highest mountain in the Catskills?
Slide. 4180. About 100 feet higher than Hunter here. And they didn't know that. They first thought it was Catskill High Peak. They did it to promote the hotel, and then they found out it was Hunter. But then someone came along and said it was Slide. Put people in an uproar because Slide was never celebrated so much. You can't see it unless you're on another mountain.
And Jim, this is an eroded plain, huh?
Plateau.
Plateau.
Eroded plateau. Wow. It's fucking old as hell, right?
Yeah.
Something that's actually older than us.
Hey, man, when you did the chairlift at the Jam Festival, what they charge for
$5.
Five.
But it was the other chairlift.
Yeah, it's a tiny one.
Didn't take you up to the summit.
Take it to the summit?
No, it
No,
did
it
not.
was right there. Just
Right. It just got up to there.
Where'd they set up the music?
Right in front of the lodge.
Double chairs for that, the whole thing was laid out there.
Big stage right behind the lodge.
Down there or where?
No, down by the lodge.
Down, straight down ahead.
Where the food is now.
Oh,
12:15.
Everybody basically sits underneath the chairlift that you see over there.
And it goes up to there. You see that little round thing, that red thing? That's about as high as it goes where the people stay. Basically.
Old campers there.
It's like Woodstock. That's 3 days left.
Old hippies with gray beards and
Great music,
gray
great people, and mediocre food.